Problem states, a fence borders a rectangular piece of land. The land has an area of 13,250 square feet and a width of 50 feet. Fencing costs $3 per foot. What is the cost of the fence? First thing we can do is draw the rectangular piece of land. So we just draw a rectangle. And they tell us the area is 13,250. The area is width inside, so this whole thing is equal to 13,250. And they tell us the width is 50, so we can call this the width. And they give us information that says fencing costs $3 per foot. So we can just write that on the side. Fencing equals $3 per foot. So they give us area and they give us width. What they don't give us is the length. So we can call that x. So in order to find the length, if they give us area, we know that the formula for area is length times width. So if they give us area, we can plug in area, so that means this 13,250 is equal to the length, which is x, and the width is 50. So this is just 50 times x. So 50 is the width times the length, which is x, because we don't know it. So 50 times x is equal to 1350. In order to solve for length, or x in this case, we divide by 50 to both sides. So this x is equal to, so we can do 1350 divided by 50. So let's do the division on the side. So we gotta first see which number are we gonna put it into. So can 50 go into 1? No. Can 50 go into 13? No. Can 50 go into 132? Yes. How many times? 2 times. So 2 times 50 is 100. So we're gonna subtract. 132 minus 100 is 32. Bring down the 5. So now how many times does 50 go into 325? And that's 6 times. Because 6 times 50 is 300. We subtract, we get 25, because 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0. We bring down the 0. Now, how many times does 50 go into 25? So think about it as, how many times does 5 go into 25? 5 times. So 50 goes into 250 5 times. So 5 times 50 is 250. Subtract, we get 0. No remainder. So that means x is equal to 265. That is what the length is now. So now the problem stated, what is the cost of the fence? So the fencing is just the perimeter. The fencing is just what goes around it. Perimeter, the equation is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. That's the equation for perimeter. So now that we have length and we have width, we can plug that in. So perimeter is equal to 2 times 265 plus 2 times 50. So let's do 2 times 265. So 5 times 2 is 10, so put the 0, carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so put down the 3, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So 2 times 265 is 530. Plus 2 times 50 is just 50, and 50 gives you 100. So now we just add, and perimeter is equal to 530 plus 100 is 630. So the perimeter is 630 feet, because that's what they're giving us. Everything is in feet. So now the perimeter, this whole thing is 630. And they told us fencing was $3 per foot. So to figure out the cost of fencing, we're just going to do $3 times 630. So we're going to multiply 630 times 3. Again, because the perimeter we found is 630 and fencing is $3 per foot. So for 1 foot is $3. So we're going to do 630 times 3 to figure out the cost of fencing. So 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 3 is 9, and then 3 times 16 is 18. So the cost of fencing is $1,890.